This is the Cult bike. As you can see, it has a 22-inch rotatable screen. So if you have to work out like for strength, conditioning, cardio, you can always rotate the screen and work out. So we cover not just spinning sessions but also cardio, strength and conditioning, and yoga. Coming to the specifications of the bike, the total weight of the bike is 68 kgs and it can hold up to 150 kgs. It is also easy to move. There are like wheels in front of the bike, so you can move it around easily as per your convenience. This is the flywheel. The weight of the flywheel is 11 kgs and it has a magnetic base resistance. So this is the resistance knob, so you can move it clockwise and anti-clockwise as per your workout needs to increase and decrease the resistance as per the prompt of your trainers during a live session as well. It can be increased up to 100 micro levels. So depending on how difficult you want the workout to be, you can increase it. So coming to the drivetrain is a poly-V belt. As it does not involve any chains, it doesn't require any oiling or greasing, so the maintenance requirement from the side of customers is very less. We have a dual pedal system, so as you can see, you can attach your cleats. For professionals, they can also attach their cleats, and for others they can opt for this. And coming to the seat and the handlebar, both are adjustable as per the height of the customer. It can be increased and decreased horizontally and vertically. So here the handlebar, this can be adjusted using this. It depends on the height of the customer. As per their convenience, they can always increase and decrease the height of the bike. And the bike is also powder coated, so there will be no issue when it comes to the maintenance of the bike. So when it comes to the screen, you can see inbuilt speakers. This is to ensure a very good workout experience. We have inbuilt speakers. Coming to the screen, so going to the profile, so any customer can have one main profile and 5 sub profiles. So once you log into your profile, this is what you would be seeing. This is the home screen. So there will be scheduled upcoming classes, featured on demand, trending videos, your favorite trainers, follower feed. So these are the things that come up on the home screen. So actually every day we have 7 live sessions right now. Soon it will become 10 live sessions per day, and we have live sessions only for the spinning classes as of now. So right now there is no live session going on, but I can schedule an upcoming class. So for example, see, today at 6, 7 there are so many classes, so I can always opt for that. So once I schedule a class, I can go to my profile. So this will be my profile. So in my profile, you can see the scheduled classes, and during that time I can just join the class, and this will be how my profile looks. So spinning, yoga, strength and cardio, the workouts, calories burned, distance, all of these will be recorded, so you can always keep a track of your progress in your profile. Coming to the home screen again, so what is the featured on demand? The featured on demand are the classes which have already been completed. Like these classes have already been completed. For the first class, this one, it has been completed in the morning itself, so you can these are pre-recorded. You can attend these classes in case you miss the live workout. You can always opt for these classes and you can see how it goes. Yeah, so in every class you can increase. There are volume buttons on the side. You can increase the volume, and you can also increase the same on the screen.
30-minute workout, you've done your first job of actually showing up on the bike. Now leave the rest.
Yeah, so this is how a class would look. So during every class, especially in a live session, you can see a leaderboard here. So these will show the stats of the people who are already on the live and their performance. So for the pre-recorded, for the sessions which are already been completed, it is already, you can see who was on top of the leaderboard. And yeah, so these are the classes which have been covered. So let's go to the on demand. So here on top you can see there is spinning, cardio, strength and yoga, and an instructor. So there's an option to select your instructor as well. So there will be a drop down and you can choose the instructor of your choice. So if I'm opting for cardio, there will be a set of videos. You can opt for all of this, and these are the ones that are available for strength right now. Yoga, yeah, and for spinning we have so many sessions. These have already been completed, so these are pre-recorded. For those who missed out on the live sessions, they can always go ahead and work out using this. And next is something called scenic ride. In the scenic ride option, we have offered more than 100 virtual rides. They can choose a place of their choice and they can ride the bike. This will not be like a live session for people who do not want to attend a live session or want to experience something different. So this is what I chose. Again, here you can see your resistance and the RPM and the distance covered and the calories burned. So this will be how it would look on a scenic ride. There are so many options available. Like this. So yeah, this is how the scenic ride option would look. There's one more option. This is just ride. In just ride you will not have a scenic view. It would just be a screen where your calories, the distance, RPM and resistance will be counted. You can keep a track of it. This is what is mainly covered. Yeah, so I think we have covered most of it. The upcoming classes, and when there's a live session it will appear on top, so you can always go for it and start the session and you will be able to attend a live session. So this is what is covered by us, and yeah, this is how our bike looks. That's it about the cult bike. Yeah.